How to add a sitemap in your WordPress using Yoast SEO. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do so. It is extremely simple, so let's just go ahead and get to it. So the first step is going to be installing Yoast SEO. So first, we just want to go to the plugins section within the main dashboard, and we just wanted to click on Add Plugin. From here, you simply just want to go ahead and search for Yoast SEO. And I just need to mention Yoast is going to help you quite a lot with many different things, not just a sitemap, but it's going to help you with SEO in general, the keywords that you need to be using, how often you need to be using, metadata, and so much more. So I really recommend that you go for it anyway. But anyways, we simply just want to click on install now once we locate it. And once that's done, we simply just want to click on activate. Now for me, because I've already done the setup, it's going to take me here, but for you, it's going to be more like the, you're going to go through the first time configuration. And if that didn't happen for you, you can access it within the actual settings, installed plugins, and you can just go to finish your first time configuration within Yoast SEO. It's just going to be basic information about your business and yourself and a few more personalization options. So what we need to do now is we basically just want to click on Yoast SEO on the bottom left. We should be able to find it here now since it's installed to our WordPress. And we want to basically click on the settings option. From here, we just want to click on site features and we want it to scroll down until we find within the technical SEO, the XML sitemaps. It's going to be turned on by default. If it's not, just make sure that it is turned on. And to actually get your sitemap, you just want to click on view the XML sitemap. And here it is. You can feel free to just copy this link and use it for Google Search Console, for example. It really depends on what you actually want to use it for. But anyways, here's your sitemap. It's that simple. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.